So I got a question on whether Niimbot will print the label sequentially from an Excel spreadsheet, and we're going to give it a try. I don't know the answer to that question. I think the question is, will it print the next label and the next label and the next label, or do you have to push the arrow button and print each label individually? Let's go and take a look at it. So let's get the Niimbot software up, and we're going to use this particular label to it's a tag, it's a rat tail label. We're going to put it in the printer, squeeze it together, lock it down, turn it on, and let's eject one label. Alright, oh, printer's not connected, so let's connect the printer. Alright, now it knows what label is in, so let's click on this. Let's click on this. We want to remove this because we want to do an Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to delete that. We're going to hit Elements and insert Excel. And I've got some documents, some Excel documents here for it. And let's remove some of the things. We don't want the cost in there. We don't need the category in there either. I think we'll just stick with these and click to import. Let's go and move them around. Whoops. Okay, I don't know what's on this file. I'm going to make that a little bit smaller and center it. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. I don't know what that was for. I think that was the price. Really not important for this experiment. But whatever. Let's just move them around because we like moving things around. Alright. Whatever. So let's hit the print. Now we can see that the label, that's the first label, that's the second label, the third label, so on and so forth. It's not really lined up well, but that's not what we're trying to figure out. Well, yeah, it says start page 1, end page 12, and print copy 1. So let's print out, let's see if it prints 12 labels. Yeah, look at this. In succession. Now, of course, I would clean that up on the layout of it. And I guess I could have printed 2 of each one if I print that. So let's waste some labels here. Alright, so we wasted these labels, and it printed each one in the Excel spreadsheet. So each one of these is different. And let's see if I could change the end. Oh, it looks like I could change the end page. Let's only do the first 5. So we'll start from 1 to 5. And let's print 2 of each. Let's see if it does that. Yeah, see, it printed 2 of each now. Oh, that's really cool. So it's able to do them in succession. Let me cancel. Okay. Done wasting labels. So yeah, so they print in succession. You could print 2 of each in succession. You could have the start page, say from let's see, from number 5 to number 8. And let's just do 1 of each. Let's hit the minus button. Done. And it's only going to print number 5 through 8. So it does print in succession, and boy, I wasted a lot of labels here. I hope this video really helps with this. And hey, look, in the description, you're going to see a link to our page. And we sell the printers, we sell the labels, and we're here for you. So, hey, buy from us. We appreciate it. And hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel, and you all have a great day.